This is the Xiaomii S20 robot vacuum cleaner in action. But let's go to the day that I bought it in Thailand last week. And it comes in a box, but it's a carryable box, so you don't need a plastic bag. Apart from the handle being plastic, it's environmentally friendly, that it's just using cardboard, the same as many other products I can imagine. But let's continue with the unboxing. I have opened it up and you can see there's all these things that you get inside the box. There's a little sweeper thing, you get a charger, you get a mop as well, you get all these things here, you can say. If you ever had a robot vacuum cleaner before, I've had two, and both of them have been, well, crap. This one is actually quite good. Now, it doesn't run on a remote control, it just runs from a mobile application. You can download this from the Xiaomi website, and all you need to do is hit that button that looks like clean, and it will clean for you. It also does mapping, like this picture here, so you can see the part of the room that it's cleaned this time. If you bring it into a different room, make sure that you can organize the mopping or the sweeping. So if it's in a bedroom, then bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4, living room, kitchen, etc., etc. And with the mopping, you can put some water inside it, as I think I mentioned before. And I put in some floor detergent into that, just a little bit, so it really is cleaning the floor. Like Dettol, for example, a little bit of floor detergent, Dettol, for example, you can put this in, and voila, it will clean the floor, it will sweep and mop, which saves a lot of time.